Oh, have you
So
requested a lesson?
no, no, that's only free conversations. I think that's a mistake that it's internet that clear.
Oh, okay, that's okay. We will not do the lesson then. You
Yeah,
speak English very, very well, I think. I can understand you very well. Some of the
okay.
words that you speak are out of order. If you think if you think specifically how to speak English, um maybe don't use so many words, but you speak English very well and I can understand you. Do you speak English throughout the day to your students?
Yes, yes. But in here, that my native language is Marathi, and the student can sometimes they are not understand for some meaning of that science language. They I to translate that.
Oh, do you translate English into their native language or their native language into English into their native language. Okay. Okay. Well, that's good. So do your students not always understand English very well?
Yes, because in here that previous standard that to starting for first grade to up to the 10th grade, they are to basically in the Marathi language, my native language, and
Oh.
only English except subject all subject in that Marathi language. And other is a semi-English school or English school. There to all full to in English subject, but some student are Marathi language and some student are to English language to study. But
Oh.
some students are they cannot understand for English, but I can to try to it to understand for that language.
Okay, fantastic, fantastic. Well, you speak English very well, and the more you have spoken it over these last 10 minutes, you have gotten so much better. For
Yes.
sure. Yes, yes. So how else can I help you today?
Today, I think you can just my accent as well as sometimes when I'm to front of the speaking the persons, they I'm to fumble like that, not in my mind to that perfect vocabulary come out, and I'm to find out in the my mind some related words. That's it's happening.
Oh, okay, okay. Well, your vocabulary is great. Um, let's see. Uh, so how can I help you with your vocabulary?
That's you can suggest me what you can do for that mistake for happening.
Oh, okay. If you possibly do you read many English books?
Okay.
Do you have many English books that you read?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. So if you just continue get as many books in English as you can and continue to read them out loud, I think the order of the words will help you a lot. Reading those words out loud and also reading the words and their meaning I think is great. But I think you're a great English speaker right now.
Okay. Remaining only 10 seconds is in here. I think it's very great conversations with you.
Yes, I enjoyed it. Have a great day.